Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making very delicious walnut barfi. Let's make it. For this recipe we need these ingredients: 1 cup milk powder, chickpeas flour half cup, cardamom powder 1 teaspoon, ghee or oil 1/4 cup, whole milk half cup, sweetened condensed milk 2 cups, cacao powder 1 tablespoon, walnuts 16 ounces, sugar half cup or to taste. I won't use sugar in my barfi as sweetened condensed milk is sweet enough for my taste. I use these measurement cups and spoons to measure out this recipe. Place the walnuts in a food processor and coarsely grind, being careful not to overgrind the walnuts as this will release the oil and you will end up with nut butter. Line dish with parchment paper. Oven medium-low heat. Dry roast chickpeas flour for about 6 minutes. If we dry roast the garbanzo bean flour first, less oil will be used. Now add oil and fry for about 7 minutes or until fragrant. Add milk powder and fry for 2 to 3 minutes, continuously stirring. Now add crushed walnuts and roast for 8 to 9 minutes. Add cacao powder, milk, sweetened condensed milk. At this point, you can add sugar, mix well. Add cardamom powder, cook until all the ingredients are well incorporated and thicken and leave the sides of the pan. Turn off the heat. Immediately place the fudge in a parchment paper lined dish and spread evenly. Garnish with crushed walnuts and press gently. Let the fudge rest in the fridge for about 2 hours. After cooling, cut into squares or desired shape. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. See you my next video.